Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited about today's video. Well, I'm always excited about every video because I love making videos for you guys. But today I paired up with a really cool company called Mixtiles. So these are Mixtiles right behind me on the wall. So I actually found out about this company through another girl that I follow on Instagram. She posted a story about the Mixtiles. She had them on her wall and I was like, damn, those are so cute. So I tapped on Mixtiles Instagram and I was looking through the page and I really just like loved them and I was like, how do more people not know about this? So I reached out to the company and I was like, listen, I really love your product. I'd love to work together. And they were super receptive and now here we are. So basically Mixtiles are like, I'm not sure if it's styrofoam, but they're like little styrofoam tiles and they are perfect for college students. Like, that's why I was so in shock that more people don't know about this, because when I was in a dorm room 2 years ago, I brought like big picture frames, and the problem with dorm room walls is you can't like put a nail in them or anything like that. So hanging things up is so difficult. You have to use like command strips and everyone knows those things do not work. And if you're saying that they work, you're lying, or maybe I just got a faulty pack. But I remember trying to hang things up in my dorm room and like nothing was sticking and I was so nervous my picture frames were gonna fall and hit me in the head and I was like gonna wake up with a concussion. Like, I was freaking out. Moving into an apartment, it's even worse because if you even put a scratch on the wall, you're getting fined. So like, you don't want to hang anything up. You're just so nervous to like put your pictures and stuff and like make your dorm room homey. So I just remember this being a problem for me when I was in a dorm room, and now that I'm in an apartment trying to personalize my space, I just had a really hard time because there were so many rules and regulations about what I could do to the wall and what I couldn't do. So I think this really solves that problem because they're basically just like little styrofoam tiles. Well, it looks like styrofoam. I don't really know what it's made out of, but this is what they send to you. And on the back, there's just already pre-sticky things. So you just like will rip this off and then you can put it right on the wall. So you don't need to use a command strip. You don't need to buy something external. Like, this is made literally to put on your wall. It's so easy and so convenient. So I picked out 6 tiles and they all came out so nice. Like, I honestly might order more. So let me just demonstrate how easy this is. So literally you could just put it off the wall and like, as you can see, there's no holes, no nothing, and like you could just stick it right back. Like, why didn't we have this when I was a freshman in college? Like, this is so convenient and so easy. So basically how you order them is you just download the app Mixtiles. So let me just show you what it looks like. That's the app right there. So you just click it and open it up. And it's so easy. So basically this is just like a little video, but you just hit create a set and then it asks if it could access your photos. You just say okay. So personally for me, what I thought was easier was just going through my pictures and favoriting the ones that I knew I wanted to make into Mixtiles. So I did that first, and then you could pick your favorite pictures and then you could just like, let's just say I want this picture. You select it and then you hit review tiles, and then you could adjust it if you want to adjust the size. So say I just want to like make it a little bit closer, me and my friend, you could just go right like that, and then you pay and it gets shipped to your house. So it's super easy. Just download the app. The app is free. You just literally take your pictures from your phone, hit order, and your Mixtile will show up at your house, and it's so easy. So I think this is so perfect for a college dorm room or someone in college who's living in an apartment or a house, because since you're in a lease and it's not your home, you can't like put nails in the wall. And okay, yeah, you could, and then you could get spackle and you could fix it up later, but who wants to do that? This is actually not my apartment or my dorm room. This is actually my bedroom at my home. So I redid my bedroom last summer. I don't know if you guys remember, I got a new mattress and I painted my walls white. They used to be purple, and I put in laminate flooring and it looks really nice, but I don't have anything on my walls. I didn't like decorate it yet, I guess. So when I saw these Mixtiles, I was like, this is so perfect for my room. Like, I'm gonna put them right next to my bed. But I'm just so obsessed with these, and I honestly urge like every college student to buy these because this solves all of our issues. Like, no more hassle, no more struggle. You just go right on your phone, you pick out your favorite pictures, and you order your Mixtiles. And this is just so cute. Like, the quality of the picture is so good. They're so light. Like, this is perfect. I loved this product so much that I reached out to the company. Like, this is not sponsored. This is not them reaching out to me saying, hey, Allison, do this video. I was so passionate about this product that I literally reached out to the company and I was like, hey, I love your product so much. Please, let's work together. Like, I am in awe. This is my dog, Noodle. And then this is me and my sister. And this is just a tile that says, always be kind, because that's just like something that I really like to stand by. And then this is me and my best friend, Emma. And this is just a picture that I took when I went to Tennessee to go visit my friend Alex. And yeah, I'm obsessed, you guys. Like, my whole room is gonna be covered in Mixtiles. Like, I'm gonna need to go to Mixtiles Anonymous. Like, they're so cute. I love them. They're so nice. You just remove the little white tab, you stick it on the wall. If it's not straight, you fix it. If you want to move it, you fix it. Like, the best. It's the best. This is literally the best. Okay, so yeah, sorry for my little spiel. I just really wanted to show you guys a really cute way to like spice up your dorm room or your apartment or even your house, because I'm using them in my house. Well, not my house, my parents' house. But yeah, this is just such an easy way to add like a splash of color to your walls or put up your pictures and showcase them in a really nice way. I think these are so cute and they are so perfect for a college student. If you guys want to see more products like this, college related, dorm room related, just like let me know in the comments. I feel like we don't really talk about that. I feel like we don't really talk about the college experience and like picking schools and stuff. So I'd love to make videos about that for you guys while I'm still in college and it's still fresh in the cabeza. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know, and make sure to subscribe and download Mixtiles because quite frankly, they're amazing and everyone should own them. So yeah, until next time guys, bye. Now I got lipstick on my fingers. Try to be cute and this is what you get. A disaster.